Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. I have come to Rajnikhant Dosa, which is really famous brand, has become a very famous brand in Mumbai for the dosa. If you are craving for dosa, then you can visit their nearest outlets. They got outlets in King Circle, Borivali, then Shivani Park. I have come to Vile Parle outlet. So I'm just going to try few of the best dosas of them. Already my friends have suggested me few of the dosas which are very popular. So if you are craving for a dosa, then this is a must visit place for you. So find your nearest Rajnikhant Dosa center and do visit them. So let's start with the dosa journey. Come. I have ordered two dosas which are come now. One of them is Makhani dosa, which has makhani, which is made from tomato, has a lot of cheese in it, so which looks quite delicious. And I'm just going to try that. And other is Lay's dosa. So you can see a lot of Lay's while cooking. Also, you must have seen, and has a lot of mayonnaise, cheese, and vegetables in it. So both of them are like really tempting, and let me see how are they. Creamy and tangy makhani, and got a lot of cheese in it. So let me enjoy this. Just enjoyed my dosas. That Lay's dosa was one of my favorite. It had nice crunch of the Lay's and a lot of cheese and a lot of mayonnaise. So please order your own choice of dosas and do visit Rajnikhant Dosa if you are really a dosa fan, or might be if you are craving for a dosa. They have the outlets. Obviously, you can check in my description box. As always, I do that for all of you to go to that place and enjoy that food. So I'll see you all with the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe and share with your friends and family. And do take care of yourself. Don't forget to visit Rajnikhant Dosa.